Hello guys, so today we have brought this wacom CTL 4100 drawing tablet. So it has got 4 express key, and this is the wacom intuos CTL 4100. It cost me around Nepalese rupees about 12,000 rupees, almost about 12,000 rupees. So now we are going to do the unboxing by opening the seal. So this is sealed here, so we are going to open it. So we are going to open it now. Okay, so this is the first look of this tablet. So it is wrapped in a plastic. So it looks very nice, very sturdy. So we are going to open the plastic. So this is the tablet itself. So it looks nice. So we have to download the driver before using this tablet. So I have already downloaded the driver. So what you need to do is you need to go to Google and type CTL 4100 driver and click enter on the Google. Okay, I don't have internet, so you have to do that, and you have to download the files, and I have already downloaded it. So let's see what else is inside the box. So we have got this data cable, it's also very nice, and the pen itself here. So this is the pen. This pen is also wrapped in the plastic, and it has got 2 buttons here, so we can customize this button according to our need. So let's see what else we have got in this box. We have got this user manual. This is in Chinese. I think we have to use Google Translate to translate that. And inside the this pen, we can open this pen to use the extra nibs. So it has given us 3 extra nibs so that we can use it whenever necessary. So now let's plug this wacom in the computer and let's see. So we need to plug the USB port in the computer and another Type-C port on this part here, on the top part here. So let's plug it there. So we have plugged it in. So after we plugged it in, the light will glow here. So if the light glows, then we know it is plugged in and it is connected. Okay, so this board is coming. So let's do start to set up our device. So let's go next, because you can set up the pen here. So let me click this start here again, because it ran into some problem there before. Okay, let's press next. So here are the 4 express key. We can customize them according to our need. So it is asking us to hover, so I'll hover it. So when I hover it, the mouse is also moving there. Okay, now so my setup is complete, so I'm going to click on done here. Okay, so we need the connection, internet connection, so you need to be connected to the internet. So now to set up the express key, what you need to do is you need to go and open the wacom tablet property. Okay, so what I need to do is, if I want to customize the button, for example I'm using this for PowerPoint, so if I want to customize this button, what I do is I'll go here, I'll click on keyboard, I'll go to keystroke. Sorry, I'll go to keystroke here, and then I'll press Control E, because Control E is for our eraser shortcut for PowerPoint. So I'll write it as eraser here, and I'll press OK. So in a similar manner, you can customize all the settings of your this pen also, and of that express key also. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.